A damaged hose or wire can kill your car. Protecting from heat and abrasion is key. Heat Shroud from DEI is a convenient wraparound sleeve that both shields and protects. Heat Shroud is made from a high-temperature fiberglass fabric that is bonded to an aluminized material. This combination will protect what you wrap against abrasion or damage and can reflect 90% of radiant heat. Heat Shroud has the same features, benefits, and advantages as Heat Sheath, but with the added convenience of a hook and loop closure design. They are super easy to install. You wrap Heat Shroud around wires, cables, or hoses, and it closes with the hook and loop system. You don't even have to remove the wires, cables, or hoses to wrap them. It's simple. Wrap, connect, and you're done. Heat Shroud is resistant against oil, dirt, and road grime. Another great thing about Heat Shroud is that it can be bent and shaped to fit in or around just about any corner or into any tight spot. There are two diameter options, 1/2 inch to 1 1/4 inches and 2 inches to 2 1/2 inches. This also gives you the option to wrap single cables or groups of hoses. There are length options as well. However, they're easy to cut or trim to the exact length that you need. So if you want to know more about the Heat Shroud from DEI or just need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.